My recipe for today, lunch and dinner is ready. This is chicken nari. It's cooking time again for our viand, lunch and dinner. So first I brown these onions. So I have to take out all these onions here. And today I will cook chicken nari. So I will remove first all these onions, brown onions. So next I put now this minced garlics, organic garlics. Now next we have to put now this chicken. This is my extra last because last Sunday I have visitor classmate of Fatma and her mother, classmate of Fatma and her mother and also one brother. So I keep this one. So I will cook this one nari because I cooked last Sunday biryani and also uh, fried chicken, roasted chicken. You can cook also mutton nari or beef nari. So I have this chicken. Now we have to fry this one. If this nari, no need tomato. And also I don't have available tomatoes, so that's why I cook chicken nari. I add already half packet of this nari masala, this one. Now we can add now also water. Enough water for this gravy. Yan. Gravy or water is already boiled. Now we can put now this one, diluted wet flour, 2 tablespoons of wet flour, and then water. So we'll put now here. Then we have to put now this one brown onions na ano na dinikdik. Ano ba yan? Flinik ko. Yan, ginanyan ko. Yan, ginanyan. Yan. One slice of chicken and then some gravy and coriander leaves and this ginger strips. And then lemon juice. We can put also lemon juice here. Yan. And then this is good partner for chapati or kubos or roti. And this also enough for our dinner. So I will eat chapati today for my lunch. So ito na yung aking chicken nari. Kumain na sila kain ng lunch. Tapos ako kakain na din. Si Langga kumain na din, si Fahad at saka si si Fatma. mamaya pa yon kakain. Kasi si Fatma hindi pa siya dumating galing ng school. So ako kakain na ako ng lunch. Kakain ako ng chapati kasi masarap ito with chapati, kubos or roti. So hanggang dinner pa ito. Hanggang bukas pa ito siguro ng tanghali. Kasi pag kakain isa lang slice niyan eh. Tapos with gravy. Ayan, with toppings na coriander leaves, tapos lemon juice at saka ginger. Masarap ito, masarap na ulam. Ayan, chicken nari. Nilipot ka dito sa sa stove kasi doon ako nagluto sa dito sa chimney. Ayan dito. Ayan.